In the split toning, we can control the highlights and shadows. Basically, we will change the color of the highlights and the shadow. So let's together start with the highlights. First thing I'm going to do is to increase the saturation. I'll make it 10. As you can see, the highlight color already changed. Now we can move this and we can choose a color that we want. In my case, I will keep it somewhere around here and I will decrease the saturation. The more you increase the saturation, the more color you will have on your highlights. So I'm going to decrease it. Something like this will be good. And then the shadows. I'm going to increase the saturation so we can see. As you can see, the shadows turn to be red. Now we can change them. Something like this is good, but I'm going to decrease the saturation. 5 will be good. So this is all about the split toning. And then we have the balance as well. It also plays with the both of the highlight and the shadow, the amount of the color and saturation that we have. We can control it with the balance. I'll make it 0. Okay guys, now let's see after and before and see where we came from. As you can see, there is a world of difference. Let's make it closer. So we came from here to here. This is the power of the Camera Raw. I'll see you in the next lesson and we are going to cover the lens correction. See you there.